When fighting with your partner, it's important to handle the situation maturely. Take responsibility for your actions. Apologize for any wrongdoing and communicate openly. Show your partner positive attention and be willing to make changes for the relationship. Resolve to make up and avoid holding grudges. Acknowledge your role in the argument and be humble in admitting where you went wrong. Deal with your anger by recognizing that you are in control and finding ways to calm yourself. Put the relationship first and focus on understanding your partner's perspective. Apologize for your wrongdoing and show empathy towards your partner's emotions. Forgive your partner and let go of grudges. Take some space to clear your head and communicate your need for space. Set boundaries to prevent starting the fight again. Listen to your partner with an open heart and avoid interrupting or thinking about your response. Support your partner's emotions and let them express themselves. Communicate your thoughts and feelings using I statements to shift the focus to how you feel.